Hey guys, I'm Emmanuel, and in this video, I'm going to be taking you guys on how to draw a realistic flower. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells to get notified whenever I post new videos. Now, if you have done this, let's go down to the tutorial. So now you see we have our sketch ready, and from the first, I would use a general charcoal pencil to bring out a kind of a darker outline to show the darker values, from which I would use a brush to blend off to get a darker feel. So now we've gotten an equal distribution of values, and now you can see the form of the flower is out. So I'm using a darker charcoal to distribute more shade where it needs to be darkened. So watch closely as I do this. So now I'll be focusing more on the stem. You can see how I'm going to add a light subtle outline under it, and that's because of the positioning of the light. If you watch closely, you'll notice that the light's positioning is coming from the top, and after that I'll be detailing around the stem. So watch as I do this. So now you can see I'm using my mono eraser to bring out finer lines and more like a finishing to the drawing. The details are coming out. So guys, we're done with this drawing, and I would really love to know what you think about this video. So do let me know what you think in the comment section, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Thanks guys.